Hello and welcome to BizBit Tech Tuesday. In the much awaited event, Samsung has introduced an all-new Galaxy Watch 3 and Galaxy Buds Live in India. The new devices were first introduced at the company's Unpacked event alongside the Galaxy Note 20 and Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Also, Samsung Electronics Corporation demonstrated Galaxy Note 20 Ultra smartphone with S Pen stylus and Galaxy Buds Live wireless earphone during Samsung Unpacked product launch event in New York. US Samsung Electronics set out its premium Android devices lineup for the rest of the year and introduction of the Galaxy Note 20 series and preview for the new Galaxy Z Fold 2 foldable in the first virtual launch event. Samsung say that the Galaxy Watch 3 has a lighter, thinner display but has a larger screen. The company Galaxy stores are offered more than 80,000 watch faces. The smartphone gets a rotating bezel mechanism from Samsung that drives the rotating bezel UI. The Watch 3 gets 4G enabled eSIM feature to handle calls and messages as well as stream music. Watch 3 can assure users on the go apps even if the users isn't carrying their smartphone. Galaxy Watch 3 4G is supported by Airtel and Jio services, and Vodafone is likely to join the race soon. The Bluetooth variant also offers similar connectivity experience with the phone as long as the Galaxy Watch 3 is connected to a Wi-Fi hotspot. The latest standalone running analysis of Galaxy Watch 3 provides a real-time input during run as well as post-workout monitoring of the 6 factors. It has been few years since Samsung launched its first Galaxy Watch. The landscape of the smartwatch has changed drastically since then. Companies are adding ECGs and oxygen saturation sensors to their wearables, and devices that were once felt very distant possible are now common. The company is officially launching the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 alongside the Galaxy Note 20 series. It is lighter and much more powerful than the original. It has additional health and safety features that will offer competition to the Apple Watch than even before. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 is for those who want a versatile smartphone, an alternative to Apple Watch or Wear OS smartwatch, a smartwatch that doesn't skimp on fitness or smart features, a wearable to work alongside a Galaxy smartphone. Even at home, the user will have access to Samsung Health Full Services Fitness Studio with features and library of more than 120 different video workouts. Sleep management feature has been enhanced more with Sleep Score and Insight to help get better rest. The all-new function of blood oxygen will soon calculate and monitor saturation of oxygen over time. Samsung has launched the second-gen Galaxy Buds Plus in addition to its Galaxy S20 lineup. Such fully wireless earbuds have almost twice the battery life of last year's Galaxy Buds, will enhance audio quality, and even with another microphone that lets you sound better on a phone call. The two models of the Galaxy Buds are quite similar in terms of function and look. Tips about pairing, controlling playback and adjusting the volume are almost similar in both the models. Most of them apply to both the Buds and Buds Plus, with the latter adding a few extra features. There is no steep learning curve, but there are several things that you can do to get most out of them. The new TWS Galaxy Buds Live earphones from Samsung use AKGs around expertise and a bigger 12mm speaker and bass guard. The Live Buds get 3 microphones and 1 voice pickup unit. New active noise cancellation for open tight help focus on work without completely losing awareness of your surroundings. The battery support playback for up to 8 hours, and the charging case allows the user to experience 23 hours over multiple charges. Samsung claimed that with only 5 minutes of fast charging, the user will gain 1 hour of playtime. The standard Samsung Galaxy Buds will work with iPhone, but lacks the setting adjustment and software implementation feature due to the non-presence of the app on the App Store. To do any of that, you had to use an Android phone. On the other hand, Galaxy Buds Plus has an iPhone app. You will need to install the app before you can pair your earbuds with an iPhone. You can also download the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus app from iPhone. Also, there are lots of functionalities that can be achieved via tapping. Both Galaxy Buds will respond to taps and enable you to monitor music playback or communicate with your phone without touching your screen. The number of taps on the middle of the Galaxy Buds will determine that happens. For example, if you press a single tap, play and pause, then if you press a double tap, play next track and answer to end calls, and if you press a triple track, it will play the previous track. If you touch and hold the customizable button, if you tap and hold on Galaxy Buds when the phone begins ringing, it will decline the call. Now let's find out the price and offers for both much awaited devices. Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 will be available in 4G with the Bluetooth variant in 41mm and 45mm. Galaxy Watch 3 41mm will be available in the Mystic Bronze and Mystic Silver color, while the Galaxy Watch 3 45mm will be available in Mystic Silver and Mystic Black colors. Galaxy Watch 3 41mm is priced at 29,990 and 34,490 for the Bluetooth and 4G variant in India respectively, while Galaxy Watch 3 45mm Bluetooth and 4G variant are priced at 32,990 and 38,990. Galaxy Buds Live will be available in Mystic Bronze, Mystic Black and Mystic White colors at a price of 14,990 in India. The Galaxy Watch 3 will go on sale from August 27, while Galaxy Buds Live will go on sale starting from August 25 across retail stores in India. For the first time ever, Samsung is announcing pre-booking offers on the Galaxy Watch 3 series on pre-booking on the Galaxy Watch 4G model for both 41 and 45mm variant. Consumers are eligible to purchase just launched Galaxy Buds Live at an offer price of 4,990. Consumer can also earn instant cashback of 4,500 on the 41mm model and 5,000 on the 45mm model. The offer is now available on all pre-booking done online at Samsung Shop and offline retail store shop between August 17 and August 26. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing updates.